This quarter, Ramp takes even more off your plate, not just with faster tools, but with systems that run themselves. Ramp's policy agent is now live. It's automating 85% of the expense reviews and enforcing policy with over 99% accuracy. Reviewing transactions at month end shouldn't feel like busy work. Ramp's policy agent will only surface transactions that need your attention, clear through outliers, and group routine expenses in a single click. Ramp AI helps you create and optimize your policy. Use our template or bring your own. Our AI reviews it, recommends adjustments, and surfaces gaps based on employee spend. Check the compliance dashboard for fast insights into policy violations, review bottlenecks, and employee spending patterns. You can also view all agent activity in the audit log to see exactly how it's applying your policies and getting smarter with time. Starting today, get fewer follow-ups and no more, "Can I expense this?" clogging your inbox. Ramp now answers them over SMS, always referencing your company policy. Missing memos? We'll follow up automatically and log replies, just like that. How much money do you have left in your wellness stipend? Text Ramp, and we'll tell you the exact amount. With AI reporting, you can ask Ramp a question in plain text, and we'll build the report for you. Ask for spend breakdowns, and it's there in seconds. You can even chat with our AI to pull insights on the data. Our auto-coding feature pulls from your historical behavior and transaction data to apply the right accounting fields automatically. It's a game changer for accounting teams. Next, let's talk bill pay. Built this quarter with more control and flexibility for scaling teams. The custom AP clerk role lets you control exactly what your AP team can do, from creating bills to syncing with your ERP. It's the right access for every workflow, without exposing what they don't need to see. You can now split bills across departments, projects, or cost centers, right from the bill itself. Whether it's a recurring subscription or a shared vendor, allocate spend once and reuse the split. Ramp now batches vendor payments automatically, combining approved bills in a single transfer when details match. Whether it's ACH, Swift, or Wire, you'll cut down on redundant fees and cut time spent on manual processing. Got global operations? We've got your back. Your teams in Australia, Singapore, and Japan can now spend in local currency with cards and reimbursements funded locally. That means no FX surprises and no workaround spreadsheets. Cross-border payments are just the beginning. For high-velocity orgs, financial oversight gets harder. Ramp makes it easier with custom permissions. Build roles that match your team's operating structure. Duplicate and tailor roles like bookkeeping or IT admin, toggling permissions by product area. Create multiple versions to fit different teams and stay compliant at scale. Built on top of custom roles, custom groups let you control user access across entities. Assign team members to specific divisions with tailored roles, policies, and spending accounts. This means entity-level clarity, but org-wide visibility. Every action on Ramp is now tracked in a downloadable audit log. We track over 200 platform events, from card updates to spend changes, complete with filters and CSV downloads. Ramp's audit log is SOX compliant and here to give you peace of mind. In Q3, Ramp became more than just software. It became your trusted partner. It's not just automation, it's infrastructure that runs itself. And it's all new on Ramp. Until next time.